Hi there, students. A haven, a countable noun. A haven is a safe place, yeah? A safe or peaceful place. So, most refugees are just seeking a safe haven. Yeah, they're seeking a place where they can avoid war and destruction. My garden is a haven for flying insects. It's a safe and wonderful place for them. So a haven, it's a place where people or animals feel safe. They feel secure and happy. Yeah, so the national park is a haven for a variety of different types of bird. So a haven, a sanctuary, a shelter, an asylum, a retreat. I'm sure you've all seen the phrase a tax haven. Yeah, this is a tax haven is somewhere where companies go and they pay very little tax. It's a place where they can keep their money protected. The the taxation in this place is so low that it is a haven for offshore companies. Okay, a tax haven. Yeah, a place where your money is safe from high taxes in other countries. Okay, so a haven, a safe place, somewhere where you can go and be safe. Notice a haven is also a harbour, an anchorage, and I think this is really where the word came from. Let's see, you've got a Milford Haven. There are various places, Barrow Haven, where they're talking about a harbour. Yeah, New Haven. Yeah, these are places where there are harbours. Yeah, you can also actually have a verb to haven, to provide a safe place for something. Okay, so a haven. When there's a storm, then ships are desperately looking for a haven, a sheltered place where you can dock and you can be safe against against bad weather. Yeah. Okay, so a haven, a refuge, a sanctuary, a safe place, somewhere where you are not going to have problems. Yeah, a refuge, a place of asylum. But then again, a harbour, a port, an anchorage as well. You could even, and then to haven, to give a safe place too. Okay, yeah, this area is a haven for criminals. It's a safe place where they feel safe and they feel that they're not going to be arrested. One thing I was actually reading the other day, one of the problems with a lot of European laws or Western laws against pollution is that environmental pollution is that what happens is it makes Western countries an environmental haven where you have much less pollution of certain things, but what happens is the pollution is exported to a third world country, and it makes the European nation or the Western nation an ecological haven or an environmental haven, whereas unfortunately poorer countries can't afford to do this. Okay, so a haven, a safe place offering favourable opportunities, favourable conditions, a refuge. Yeah, so this is a haven for artists, for example. Okay, so formality, a haven. 5.5 informality, 6 use it anywhere, a touch on the more formal side, but not very. And then as to origin, there's an Old English word haven, a Dutch word haven, and the German word Hafen, and these are referring to a harbour. And these all come from a Norse word, Hoffen, yeah? Hoffen, talking about, I think, the sea, or a harbour in the sea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Haven.